Hi, today I want to talk about the kind of guys you should never ever date. Okay? इसमें कोई एक्सेप्शन नहीं है. जो लिस्ट मैं आपको आज बताने वाली हूँ, there is gonna be another list जिसमें exceptions भी हो सकते हैं. So today we are talking about the guys which are like big no. Like इनको अगर आप dating कर रहे हैं और ये लड़के आपको टकराएं, चुपचाप उल्टा डायरेक्शन में चलते जाना है और बस निकल जाना है दूर. Just gotta escape. That's the only thing you gotta do here. There's nothing else to do. Okay, let's talk about this list. First, as a psychologist, first the top chart is an unsafe guy. Now you might be thinking, Ankita, unsafe तो बड़ी vague term है. कौन सा लड़का unsafe है? कैसे बताएं ये unsafe है कि नहीं? You need to know abuses. You can just Google all the kind of abuse that is there. किसी भी तरीके का abuse, आपको वो mentally abuse करे या physically abuse करे, financially abuse करे, या फिर किसी भी तरीके का sexual abuse non consensually आपको इन सब चीज़ों में वो डालना चाहे, राइट? जैसे कोई ऐसा लड़का जो सडनली वो आपको कुछ बहुत बुरा बोल देता है, लाइक हर्ट कर देता है वर्ड से, राइट? एंड बाद में ही भी लाइक वो आई एम सॉरी मैं गुस्से में था, वो हो गया ऐसा वैसा, राइट? और समवन who suddenly lifts up his hand on you, manhandles you, or maybe I don't know, beats you or some slaps you, and उसके बाद he's like I'm so sorry, ऐसे हो गया वैसे हो गया. These are the guys with unresolved trauma, okay? और ये जो आपको दर्द दे रहे हैं ये आपके हिस्से का है भी नहीं, okay? You don't even deserve it. ये पुराने इनके एक्सपीरियंस में किसी औरत ने इन्हें हर्ट किया है, a lot of time their mother or whatever past life they have had the bad experiences with the feminine. तो उस सब की वजह से ये आज आप पे अपना वो ट्रॉमा निकाल रहे हैं, वो गुस्सा निकाल रहे हैं, पास्ट हेट निकाल रहे हैं. यू डोंट डिजर्व एनी ऑफ दैट. यू जस्ट वॉक्ड इन दिस लाइफ. Okay, if you sit there and take it, it's only going to increase, right? So there was this guy I know, not actually one, I know many, as I take sessions. So people which beat women, people which do non-consensual sexual activities with the women they are dating, like forcing them to kind of have sex with them, forcing them to do things they are not comfortable doing. Even giving silent treatment is also a kind of emotional abuse, right? That कि जरा सा झगड़ा हुआ, slam the door and got out of it, making you feel like कि just because you didn't agree with me, now you're not worthy of love, right? Even if somebody has to take a break, there is a decency, there is a respectful way to take a break, even if you want to do that in the middle of an argument. This is not how it works. So this guy needs a lot of therapy, a lot of work, and not at all ready to be in dating, okay? So you need to stop lying to yourself because he's lying to himself. Give him to God, give him to a therapist and leave, okay? So unsafe guy is the first one. Second is the guy which cannot protect you. The guy whose body if you see and you're like अगर गुंडे वुंडे आते हैं तो एक घुसे में ये तो गिर जाएगा, फिर मैं ही बचूंगी मुझे खुद ही लड़ना पड़ेगा, राइट? इस तरीके के लड़के. एंड इट रियली हर्ट्स मी. All these, a lot of this influencer that I see, very beautiful girls and all, but एक second में मुझे उनकी self worth पता चल जाती है when I see these kind of guys with them which have a lot of body work to do, a lot of work to do on their health, and they are trying to somewhere show us while they're influencing that this is some perfect match or this is some true love or great guy they've got, and it's gonna be a crazy thing when they get married. Okay, but one time if you are in an unsafe situation, सबसे पहले तो ये जाएगा आपका बंदा. Then you are just standing there vulnerable पूरी तरीके से to all the things that await you, right? You really think he is the man for you? He's not a man for anyone. He's not even a man for himself yet. He has to work his way to get there. There's a transition from a boy to a man. Yes, boy can be lean, can be weak, can be all that, but he needs some masculine mentorship to get into the shape that a man of the house needs to be in. Tomorrow he has to protect your kids from bullies, from what else, right? इतनी मूवीज आप लोग देखते हैं. टेकन मूवी में उसके फादर को कितना कुछ आता था, तभी वो अपनी बच्ची को वहां से बचा के ला पाया. And then you think that these kind of men are going to save you from what? I don't know, cyber security attack? I don't know really, Right, so physically someone who cannot protect you is no one's man. He's not your man. Please stop lying to yourself. You are vulnerable as you were alone. You know, when you were like single, you're still as vulnerable as you are with him. So if it's not an upgrade, why would you want that thing in your life? Right? So you're not going in a relationship to end up with someone who doesn't even qualify as a man for to protect you. You even if you will say that I have a man, but yeah, still I do not have a protector. Who's gonna protect you? You're yourself. तो आप ही फिर these women then will be like, so उसकी क्या responsibility है? हम सीख लेंगे martial art, हम कर लेंगे, तो सब कुछ तुम कर लो यार फिर. Right? But this is not how it works. It has never worked that way in nature also. Even I think the pack of lions and all, अगर आपके हस्बैंड को सामने वाला हस्बैंड अगर दूसरा जैसे मतलब उनका लायन के केस में थोड़ा अलग सीन है कि वही लाइनस के हस्बैंड को अगर एक दूसरा मर्द मार के गिरा सकता है, that's gonna lead the pack of this woman. That's how it is. Nature is like this. There is no mercy like that. ओ कि अच्छा ओ आप स्ट्रांग नहीं हो बट वो आपसे प्यार करती है तो आपको जिंदा छोड़ देते हैं, कोई बात नहीं, राइट, इसको कुछ नहीं करेंगे. नो, it's not gonna happen. So if you are not choosing a strong man for yourself, that's your fault. Okay, and if you are a man watching this and you are not strong yet and you think you are such a prize or some girl will be lucky to have you, then I don't know the level of your delusion also. Okay, now the the third kind of guy, the next guy, let's say that, because I will not be able to remember these numbers. Okay, the next kind of guy which is not good for anyone is the guy, oh, this is a good one, which is obsessed with equality. Yes, the equality. A lot of times these are the feminists, that pseudo feminist, which really think they're here for the women rights, but they actually, these equality guys, you know, they hate that they are born in this era. Okay, they would love to be born in that era which their grandfathers or great grandfathers had, where women did not have any voice. Okay, they were forced to marry, they could not say no, and they had to bear their kids, they couldn't do anything, and they hate that they are in this era where women can have a voice, can demand stuff, can reject guys. How dare, right? How dare they, right? Just baffles this guy. So ये भेड़िया शीप्स के बीच में you know कोशिश करता है छुपने की, फेमिनिस्ट के टैग के अंदर, इक्वालिटी चाहता हूँ उस टैग के अंदर, बिकॉज ये किसी भी औरत को अच्छा ट्रीटमेंट नहीं देना चाहता है. इसको इस बात से ही हेट है कि भाई हमें कुछ भी देना क्यों पड़ रहा है. मेरे दादाजी के टाइम पे तो उन्होंने कभी कुछ नहीं दिया, तो मेरी दादी काम करी 20 साल 30 साल 50 साल जो भी, राइट, हमें क्यों करना पड़ रहा है. तो अब ये इक्वालिटी बोल के उस औरत की जिंदगी का जो हश्र करेगा आप भी देखेंगे. I think not more than like hundreds of cases I have heard like this guys. These guys are really common in current times. Like they will be saying इक्वालिटी से ये भी बांटते, इक्वालिटी से ये भी बांटते, इक्वालिटी से ऐसे करते, इक्वालिटी से वैसे करते. सो दिस गाय वोंट बी एबल टू प्रोवाइड टू यू बिकॉज ही हेट्स दैट ही हैज टू प्रोवाइड टू यू. वाई ही हैज टू प्रोवाइड टू यू? आज के ज़माने में सब कुछ तुम्हारा खुद का है ना, तुम्हारे पास खुद की जॉब है. मेरी दादी के पास तो नहीं थी कभी. तुम्हारे पास खुद का अकाउंट है, तुम्हारे पास खुद के पैसे हैं, तुम डाइवोर्स भी फाइल कर सकती हो आज के टाइम में. मतलब इसको इतनी हेट है ना इस बात से कि वुमेन आदमी के बराबर राइट्स उनको मिल रहे हैं, तो ये फेमिनिस्ट बन के ही सारी औरतों की लंका लगाता है, राइट. और ये अ लॉट ऑफ फेमिनिस्ट वुमेन खुद नहीं देख पाती हैं, ये एक फेमिनिन वुमेन बिल्कुल देख पाएगी, बिकॉज इसको कोई इंटरेस्ट नहीं है जिस औरत को वो परस्यू कर रहा है उसको अच्छी जिंदगी देने के लिए. बिकॉज सी, दिस इज एग्जैक्टली वॉट यूज टू बी द बेसिस ऑफ रिप्रोडक्शन, राइट, जिसकी जगह से पूरा ये मैरिज डेटिंग पूरा निकल के आया है. जानवरों में भी आप देखिए, birds will compete to show I can give you a better life. The other bird will be like, no, whatever he's giving is like, I can give you even more. So can you come with me? Help me, transcend my DNA to the next generation. And women will see कौन सा आदमी ज़्यादा उसको resources दे सकता है, उसकी life बेहतर बना सकता है, ज़्यादा strong है, is a provider, protector, leader, everything. And then she will decide. And she can leave also whenever she feels like no, he's not really up to the mark. जो सब promise कर रहा था, trailer अलग दिखाया था, movie अलग दिखा रहा है. She can leave also. The eagle's wife, the eagless, I don't know what it's called, but she tests the eagle every 6 months. Every mating season she tests the eagle कि अभी भी इसमें दम है मेरा हस्बैंड बन के रहने का, अभी भी ये मेरे को टेस्टी ट्रीट्स ला के दे पाएगा व्हेन आई विल बी प्रेग्नेंट, या नहीं दे पाएगा, नहीं लड़ पाएगा ये बाकी सांपों से और बाकी लोगों से. अगर नहीं लड़ पाएगा तो वो उसके साथ मेट ही नहीं करती उस सीजन में, फिर उसी टाइम पे छोड़ देती है वो उसे. एंड देन बेटर ईगल कैन टेक दैट स्पॉट. That's just nature. If this is getting you angry, then why are you even अगर औरतों से इतना गुस्सा है तो आप औरत की डायरेक्शन में क्यों जा रहे हो? क्यों तुम डेटिंग में ही क्यों हो? राइट, ट्रैवल करो, खाना पीना खाओ, अच्छा खासा जिंदगी जियो. Why are you entering this and spoiling women's life? Yeah, I know that why, because you're doing it because you hate women, right? And as a woman, it's very important for you to understand these kind of men which hate that you're a woman, and as a woman you've got women privileges, pretty privileges, women rights now. They hate it. So these secret haters, you need to find out. These are not happy with the fact that as a woman you have equality today. So they will use equality only against you. This takes me back to this one reel I saw in that women just pushed that man's child, and the man presents her the bill of the hospital on the laptop saying, this much I cannot afford, you have to give me half of it, 50-50 as we agreed. This is where you end up with a man like this who hates that as a woman you think I'm gonna give you something, I'm not gonna give you what you wanted. Equality, right? You have equality now. Now give the money, right? You pushed the child that is half made up of my DNA and half of yours, so half of the amount is on you. If you don't want this life, get this man out of your life, okay? Which use equality to treat you poorly. They hate that you're a woman, okay? And you have rights. Okay, the next kind is very much kind of connected to this one only. It's the guy which hates the fact that he's a man. Why? It's like those women also that you have seen. No, they hate the fact that they are a woman. So they gave everybody a hard time, and they keep telling, they kind of keep telling everyone how hard it is to be a woman because they dislike being a woman. As I told in the previous video about periods, that we are treated so poorly for being a woman that we start hating the fact that we are a woman. But there's a journey there. Journey from being a girl to a woman, where you end up loving and understanding that, oh, those people did not love the fact that we were a woman. They did not even love the fact that they themselves were a woman. But now that I see it, now that I am mentored by better women, I am okay with it. Not just okay, I actually enjoy it. Today I can say, I think I couldn't say this sentence 10 years ago, but I can say it today, that I would not like to be anyone else but a woman in this world. And I really, 10-15 years ago, I could never imagine me thinking even this, forget about saying it out loud in public. Because I used to hate being women. So those kind of men also require great amount of therapy. Has to do with their gender side and the experiences of being this gender and coming into peace with their own gender, right? A lot of time these guys are those which are yet to come out of the closet, right? They might be gay, but they're like, we cannot tell it to the world. So, they will get with a woman which has the bare minimum. She is okay with the bare minimum or less than bare minimum. You can still find in this world still those kind of women which are just settling like that. And he will keep on hating that he has to be a man because he is not. That is first category. But second one is, he is a man. He would not want to be anything other than a man, but he hates that he is a man. Making sense? Right? So that man has a lot of work to do to be comfortable in his manhood, to be able to see that being a man is also good. Great. I think I need water. Okay, but I didn't keep any. Okay, we'll take that later. So it's great to be a man also. But if that man is not okay with being a man yet, how can he be your man? Make it make sense, right? He's not even his own man yet because he's not okay with being a man. He's like constantly talking about you don't know how much struggle is in a man's world, what a man goes through, da da da. Who doesn't go through, yeah? Gays go through stuff, lesbian go through stuff, animals go through stuff, me go through stuff, women go through stuff, mothers go through stuff. Who doesn't go through? Aren't you like not looking around or what? Right? Billionaires have their own struggle. Everybody has struggle. This is Earth. Open your eyes. Right? You're not the only one. Okay. So everybody has their struggle. It's just that you still haven't found peace with the fact that you're a man. So till that time, you're not good as anyone's man. First, be comfortable being a man itself. Okay. So this is the other category. This category will not pursue you. These are the same guys which will say, I texted you 2 times by now. Third text should come from you only. I'm not texting. I saw that. You're not doing it. You know? So they will appear that feminine, and rightly so, because they do not like being a man. So they are doing everything else. And you know what else is out there, right? So they will do stuff like this. They'll be like, oh, last 2 dates, I have only fixed. You don't take me out on dates. Are you a woman? Just say it if you are. Right? I'm not a man, you know. So these are those men. You don't plan anything for me. You don't get me anything. You don't do that. Like these kind of men. Like so they are yet to be a man. Okay, don't mistake that. So these people also you must leave. They will not pursue you because they are not even sure are they a man yet. Because first that surety has to come to be able to pursue a woman, because to pursue a woman you have to be a man, right? If there is itself a conflict going on, how can that happen then? Okay, so this is another category you should stay away from. And the last category that you should stay away from is a man who is not leading his life well. Okay, so because see, as a woman, husband is called the leader of the house, the leader of the family. How can he lead your family? How can he lead you when he is not able to lead his life to something good? He's stuck in his own life, stuck in his old ways, stuck with his toxic parents, not able to take himself out of that toxic household. He's not able to say no to his toxic friends. You think he can take you somewhere good? You are like really joking right now if you think that. So this guy won't be able to take you anywhere. He's not able to take himself anywhere. He cannot lead his life well. If you look at that guy, no matter how hot, strong, handsome, whatever, his life looks like trash. He is trash. I mean, when it comes to dating, yeah, as a person, yeah, so much he can do, but let's see what he does, right? So this also is not good for dating. Okay, you don't want a man which leads you to nowhere, leads you to depression, right? You don't want that from your marriage. So this is the last kind of guy you should not be with. Okay, so I hope this was clear. Any doubts, questions, comment, or I don't know, text me, DM me on Instagram. All the handles will be available, and I hope this helps.